That is, where are you standing as a leader of the people of Kenya? The Speaker, in this country, we are used to giving empty and lofty promises, and then we forget about them soon after elections. This time round, the mood I am seeing out there, and I am very often at home, Mr. Speaker, the mood out there is that this bill is a make or break point. This bill can actually spark a serious revolution in this country. This bill, I have to caution you, this bill can actually be the spark that will lead a revolution that will never be ended. And it's going to be a revolution of the proletariat, Mr. Speaker. It's going to be a revolution led by the poor hustlers, Mr. Speaker, because they have had enough. They have had enough of lies. They have had enough of this chest stamping. They have had enough of this bravado. The hour of reckoning has now come. And therefore I want to say this. That even as we stand here to please our masters out there, our masters who are watching us, you must understand that the greater masters are the people who voted us, not those who imposed us on these positions. Mr. Speaker, this house cannot go down in history as a house which disregarded the plight of the people. This house must go down in history as a house which stood with the people at their hour of need. And with those very many remarks, Mr. Speaker, I oppose in totality. Thank you.
Dendi Nyoro.